today we're making slime. Let's go. What you'll need is a bowl, some glue, and a thing to mix with, and some water. I forgot to say this, but the last thing you need is an activator. Oh! When you're done making the slime, put it in a container.